In this Money Smart Basics video, I'll reveal the top money mistakes that could be draining your wallet without you even realizing it. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Stay to the end to receive a bonus tip. Hey folks, are you ready to take control of your money and build a solid financial future? In this video, we will discuss the most common money mistakes people make. Learn how to avoid these financial pitfalls to better manage your money and secure your financial future. Let me tell you folks, budgeting isn't about restricting your freedom. It's about taking control of your money and telling it where to go instead of wondering where it went. Imagine having a clear plan for every dollar you earn, knowing exactly how much you can spend on groceries, entertainment, and savings without any guesswork. It's like having a roadmap for your money. Just as you wouldn't embark on a road trip without a map or GPS, you shouldn't navigate your financial journey without a budget. You know exactly where your income is going, and you make sure it aligns with your priorities. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, a budget helps you stay on track. Living paycheck to paycheck, stressing about bills, it's no way to live. The constant worry about whether you'll have enough to cover your expenses can take a toll on your mental and physical health. But when you create a budget, you can identify areas where you might be overspending. Maybe those daily coffee runs or spontaneous online shopping sprees are adding up more than you realize. Write down every dollar you spend. This might seem tedious at first, but it's a crucial step in understanding your spending habits. Then, categorize your spending: housing, transportation, food, entertainment. Breaking down your expenses into categories helps you see where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. Set realistic spending limits for each category and find ways to cut back. Maybe you can cook more meals at home instead of dining out, or find free entertainment options instead of costly ones. And don't forget to prioritize your savings. Consider using the envelope system, literally dividing cash into envelopes for different spending categories. This old-school method can be incredibly effective in helping you stick to your budget. It will give you peace of mind knowing you're in control of your finances. Imagine the relief of not having to worry about unexpected expenses because you've already planned for them. Budgeting isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a secure and stress-free financial future for yourself and your loved ones. You know what keeps me up at night? It's folks like you not having an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs: job loss, unexpected medical bills, car repairs. Without an emergency fund, these events can derail your financial stability, forcing you into debt and causing untold stress. Think of an emergency fund as your financial safety net. Start by setting a goal of saving for a starter emergency fund of $1,000. Then work your way up to having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved. Cut back on unnecessary expenses and redirect that money to your emergency fund. Even $20 a week adds up over time. Make it a priority today and sleep soundly knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Listen, if you're only making minimum payments on your debt, you're playing a dangerous game. You're basically throwing money away on interest and prolonging your debt for years, even decades. It's a vicious cycle that can keep you trapped in a mountain of debt. Making only the minimum keeps you in debt longer, costing you thousands more in interest. It's time to break free. Make a commitment to tackle your debt head-on. Create a debt snowball plan. List out all your debts, smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on the rest. Take charge today and experience the incredible feeling of financial freedom that comes with being debt-free. Let me tell you something, folks. The younger you are, the more powerful this message is. Compounding is like magic. It's money making money, and then that money making even more money. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. The longer you let your investments grow, the more significant the returns. Don't delay, start investing today, and harness the incredible power of compound interest to grow your wealth for a brighter future. Credit cards can be useful tools, but they can also be dangerous if you're not careful. Overusing credit cards can lead to a mountain of debt that feels impossible to overcome. High interest rates on credit cards can quickly turn a small balance into an unmanageable burden. Start by creating a budget and tracking your spending to identify areas where you can cut back and free up cash flow to pay down your credit card debt. Avoid making only minimum payments, as this will prolong your debt and cost you more in the long run. Remember, credit cards should be used responsibly and strategically. By taking control of your spending habits and developing a plan to pay down your debt, you can break free from the plastic trap and achieve financial freedom. Folks, we're not talking about getting rich quick schemes here. We're talking about protecting what you've worked so hard to build. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected events like accidents, illness, or natural disasters can happen to anyone. Insurance is not an expense, it's a shield that protects you and your loved ones from financial ruin. Without adequate insurance, you're putting yourself and your family at risk. Having the right insurance coverage provides peace of mind, knowing that you're financially protected if the unexpected happens. Evaluate your insurance needs regularly to ensure you have adequate coverage for your current situation. Shop around for the best insurance rates and coverage options. Don't wait until it's too late. Review your insurance coverage today and make sure you have the protection you need to safeguard your financial well-being. Retirement might seem far away, but it's never too early to start planning for a comfortable and enjoyable retirement. The sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. Start by estimating your retirement expenses and setting realistic savings goals. Consider using retirement planning calculators to determine how much you need to save each month to reach your goals. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s, especially if they offer employer matching contributions. Explore other retirement savings options like individual retirement accounts, IRAs, to maximize your savings potential. Don't let retirement sneak up on you. Start planning and saving today to ensure a financially secure and fulfilling future. When it comes to investing, fees can be a silent killer, eroding your returns over time. High investment fees can significantly impact your investment growth, eating into your profits, and delaying your path to financial freedom. Understand the different types of investment fees, including expense ratios, transaction fees, and advisory fees. Look for low-cost investment options such as index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which typically have lower expense ratios compared to actively managed mutual funds. By being mindful of investment fees and choosing cost-effective investment options, you can maximize your returns and keep more of your hard-earned money working towards your financial goals. It's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where your spending increases as your income grows. Suddenly you're eating out more, buying expensive clothes, and upgrading your lifestyle to match your higher income. Avoid the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle every time you get a raise. Instead, focus on maintaining your current standard of living while directing the extra income towards your financial goals, such as paying down debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or investing for the future. Track your spending carefully and identify areas where you might be susceptible to lifestyle inflation. By resisting lifestyle inflation, you can achieve financial freedom faster and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with living below your means. In a world of complex financial products and ever-changing market conditions, it's more important than ever to be financially literate. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions about your money, avoid common financial pitfalls, and achieve your financial goals. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance basics, including budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, and retirement planning. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos, and attend workshops or webinars to expand your financial knowledge. There are countless resources available online and in your community that can provide valuable insights and guidance. The more you learn, the more confident and empowered you'll become in managing your finances and achieving your financial dreams. We've covered a lot of ground today, folks. Remember, avoiding these common money mistakes can lead to a more secure and prosperous financial future. You have the power to change your financial situation. It all starts with making a decision to take control of your money and your future. Start small, stay focused, and remember, you've got this. Implement these tips and start taking control of your finances today. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Are you brushing off your budget like yesterday's news? Wait until you hear this. Ignoring financial planning is like skipping car maintenance. It seems fine, until you're stranded. Overspending drains your wallet. And not saving for emergencies? That's a disaster waiting to happen. Get on top of your finances before they topple you.
Please don't forget, like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics video. Disclaimer, the content provided on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. The information presented is intended to be general in nature and should not be construed as professional financial advice.